Alright, let's fucking go. 974, we're on the fucking clock. Top level constant macros, room enumerations, room indexes 0 to 12. Don't use fucking 13, we start counting at 0. Top level constructor functions, a new section beneath top level variables and gesture vars. Shut array. We want to create an array and then we want to make it so that we cannot modify its size, except if you're in Firefox, because Firefox is stupid. Int32 array constructor. This is a monkey wrench macro. This is the correct name. This has been moved from somewhere else. This function just creates an array of integers where you specify the length and then specify all the parameters. You must supply the correct number of parameters, otherwise we will crash. It creates an int32 array. It populates it by going through every single index, grabbing arguments +1, making sure that the data is valid, populating it here, shutting the array. Our constructor for a constant array of int32s. This is just basically a wrapper for that other function we went over because we can't fucking do this in all browsers. Okay, top level lookup tables. Let's look at this. Okay, we got a nice little beautiful diagram. Room jumper tables. This is a diagram of our hotel structure in the engine, and we have some temporary constants here. 0, negative, I don't fucking know, invalid. Okay, assert that 13 times 9 is 117 because that's the capacity for room index times adjacent room 9. We're going to take these two pieces of value, we're going to take those values, figure out if we have, which adjacent room we have, right? So this is room 0 in the center, room 1 in the center. Notice that room 6 is the only thing with valid entries everywhere. That's because if we look at this, room 6 in the center has adjacent and kitty corner valid rooms everywhere. That's the only piece of data that does that. Also, we have room index in AR9, jump dex converted to data pixel index. This is for optimized seeking to texture memory. We have invalid slots, we have 0 in the center, and we have I don't fucking know for everything else because I don't know how this table needs to be laid out yet. Okay, so then in right here, this is where we cut some code from, the shut array function. Here's where we cut integer array from. And then in the hunkering function section, in this helper function here, if we go all the way down here, we've redacted this code from the hunk vector loop. We'll put it back in another video. We are out of fucking time. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are here, and we're out of fucking time. We don't got fucking time.